Ethereum right now has broken the 1870 range. Are we heading on up to 19 and potentially even on to $2,000 per Ethereum? Well, we're going to talk Shanghai upgrades as well as what does the price look like versus Bitcoin for this week. So be sure to subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. And let's get into exactly what is going on with Ethereum. So like we said, Ethereum about to bring out their Shanghai upgrade. So successful testing of the Chappelle upgrade on the final testnet Gorelli is about to go live on the Ethereum mainnet ahead of the month of April 12th. So we are closing in ever nearer to that. The Ethereum Shanghai hard fork, popular as Chappelle, is a major upgrade and will allow users to withdraw their staked ETH for the very first time. Now, if you remember back in the day when this was all talked about and we moved to a proof of stake versus a proof of work, a lot of ETH was locked up, a significant amount, in fact, where people then now, on the part of this upgrade, will be entitled to get that ETH back. It says the Chappelle upgrade for the Ethereum blockchain basically combines the execution layer of it, which is the Shanghai part, the consensus layer, the Capella, and the engine API. As we know, investors have been staking their ETH ever since the launch of the Beacon chain 2 years back. With Shanghai upgrade unlocking the withdrawal capabilities, many believe that it would lead to a mass withdrawal of ETH, thereby creating selling pressure on the crypto token. The world's second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, has witnessed a strong rally above the Bitcoin this year. ETH is already trading at more than 1,800 currently, with more than 50% gains year to date. So a lot of people speculating we could see a significant price retracement given the fact that there's going to be so much unlocked as part of this upgrade. Now, if you are one of those people that have had your Ethereum staked, ultimately, well, this is how you're going to get it. It says solo stakers who haven't used any services or staking pools can access staked ETH withdrawals in two ways, either through partial withdrawals or full withdrawals. Partial withdrawals involve withdrawing the rewards earned through the staking of 32 ETH. Remember, this was the required amount to put in there. These rewards will be available for withdrawal immediately, and for those running their own validators, they should first migrate to include a 0x01 withdrawal credential. If the user doesn't install these withdrawal credentials, partial withdrawals won't happen automatically. Full withdrawal, on the other hand, means users can withdraw their entire balance, including the 32 ETH staked with the blockchain. This would mean that the validator will stop participating in blockchain validation process. So the important thing here is if people remove the entire amount of Ethereum they have staked, they ultimately sacrifice the fact of being a validator. What do I think could happen with this? I think we'll see some market pressure. I think we'll see people take some rewards out. But I think as the price of Ethereum continues to go up, and we'll talk a little bit about that in a minute, then I think people will certainly leave their bulk of it still validating on the network. Therefore, we won't see as big a decrease as what people ultimately are thinking will happen. Now, like we said, taking a look at the price, you see here we broke through 1865. We're on the daily chart here with a big green candle today, a massive move. We're seeing the MACD trend in the right direction. We're also seeing the 9-day EMA really turning quite aggressively bullish along with the parabolic SAR, and we are way above that 20 and 50-day EMA. Some really key points there. 3.45% up on the day, trading at 1873. It is one of the biggest performers. If we were to go in a little bit nearer onto the hourly chart, you can see just where this move came. About lunchtime today, we saw this aggressive, but then came back down to retest a number of times, broke back through and is holding above this key level. Now, 1923 is the next level I think we need to have on our agendas, and then we will make a run up for $2,000 per ETH. This could absolutely trigger the rest of the market start to move. We're seeing Bitcoin hovering around 28.1, has been below 28. Equally, it's been as high as 28.7 today. So we are seeing that hold on, particularly these other layers as well, other layer 2, Matic starting to move, as well as we're seeing things like XRP as well. So a critical point for Ethereum right now over the next 24 hours. It is bucking the trend as people get excited about what's coming, but 1871 current price, we have broke through that resistance. 1923, the next point we need to look for. So ultimately, people talking about the fact that Ethereum traded at such an oversold level to Bitcoin produced fresh highs on ETH BTC. The chart raised the possibility of sustained rebound in the coming weeks. So we could even see ETH come back down a little bit. I think if we see market sentiment start to move in the right direction, again, the debate will always be around this staked ETH. How many people are going to take away from it? It says Deutsche notes that the sustained strength of Ethereum against Bitcoin would bode well for the altcoin performance. Oftentimes, the altcoin market tends to benefit from an Ethereum show of strength against Bitcoin, and with this often an indicator of altcoin performance. And we can see that with a lot of the altcoins starting to move as well. On the upside, Ethereum faces a barrier that coincides with the moving average on its Bitcoin chart. Successful flip into support might dictate the next move in the coming days. This is where we talk about this real key point, holding on to that 1866 range and heading on up for 1900. If we take a look at the rest of the crypto market, we currently sit 1.19 trillion, 2.96% up on the day. You can see some real momentum momentum starting to build across a number of different categories and a number of different coins in the crypto space. Things like Cardano, XRP moving, Dogecoin, obviously on the back of that Elon Musk move, up nearly 30.39%. Matic again, all starting to move. So this could signify a big move in the market, could absolutely start to push us in the direction we want. But the big news, Ethereum Shanghai upgrade coming very, very soon. Is this going to see a big dump on the market, or could we even see ETH really solidify itself as a $2,000? And I think still that is cheap when we get into the excitement of later on this year and certainly into 2024. But let me know down below in the comments what you think the Ethereum price will be over the course of the next couple of weeks. And if you like this content and you enjoyed it and you've made it all the way to the end, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Keep up to date with everything going on in the crypto world. Join our live stream, 4 p.m. Eastern, every single day. Also, if you want to get yourself some Ethereum, head on over to MEXC, link in the description, where you can get yourself some cheaper trading fees and some fantastic bonuses. But as ever, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.